Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your boards in Subway Surfer City to get faster speed, higher jumps, and even more extra abilities that make your runs way more exciting. Now, first off, you want to make sure you're in the game and check out your boards in the board section. To do this, just choose the surfer section below, choose any surfers, and from there, you'll access the board section. Now, each board you've unlocked can be leveled up, and upgrading them actually makes a big difference in how your character moves and performs during runs. You'll need coins or tokens to upgrade, and some of the fancier boards might even need gems or special rewards, so keep an eye on what each board requires. And once you've got the resources, hitting that upgrade button right over here will boost your board stats instantly. You'll notice improvements like faster boosts, longer jump distances, or extended hover times depending on which board you're using. It's a simple way to make the game more fun while also helping you score higher and unlock more rewards. And the best part is you can keep upgrading your boards, especially the boards you love the most, to get even better performance in every run. So focus on the boards that fit your playstyle, collect those coins, and level them up as much as you can. And that's it. Now you know how to upgrade boards in Subway Surfer City, so if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!